Welcome to this video where we'll share 7 top tips to help you improve your English effectively and correctly. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these tips will guide you on your language learning journey. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. Define why you're learning English and what you want to achieve. Whether it's for travel, work, or personal growth, having a clear goal will keep you focused and motivated. Tip number 2. Practice consistently. Dedicate a small amount of time to English every day. Even just 15 to 30 minutes of daily practice can lead to significant progress over time. Tip number 3. Immerse yourself in the language. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, read books, and think in English. The more you surround yourself with the language, the more naturally it will come to you. Tip number 4. Learn grammar in context. Instead of focusing solely on rules, observe how grammar is used in real-life situations. This will help you understand and apply it more effectively. Tip number 5. Embrace your mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Don't be afraid to make them. Instead, use them as opportunities to improve. Tip number 6. Engage in active learning. Take notes, repeat sentences, and ask questions. Active engagement helps reinforce your learning and makes it easier to retain information. Tip number 7. Practice in real-life situations. Join language exchange groups, speak with native speakers, or practice by talking to yourself. Real-life practice builds your confidence and fluency. These 7 tips will help you improve your English effectively and correctly. Remember to stay consistent, immerse yourself in the language, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.